Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your avatar in the Bitmoji application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the avatar button at the bottom of the page. And here's your avatar's current appearance. As you can see, from hairstyle to eye shape, you can change whatever you want. Just click on the one that you want to change, and within the hair section you can change the color, the hairstyle, and you can also apply special hair treatments like this balayage and colorings. So just choose the one that you want to use, and if you scroll back and forth, you can even change dresses according to season or any occasion if you want to. So yeah, just browse through them and find the style that you want to set for your emoji. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.